Oh, he's actually letting me pet on him. Hi, Sebastian. Yeah. Little guy. Aww. Hi, cutie. Aw. Well, I have cheese on my fingers. Oh, my back. Like that. There we go. That's better. Yeah. He's got such a long tail. You have such a long tail, don't ya? Don't you, little dude? Yeah. Wish I could turn this stupid light off. Makes your eyes look weird. Yeah, such pretty yellow eyes. Yeah. Oh. Arr. Arr. He plays so gently. He's so crazy, but then when he grabs a hold of you to play with you, he's so gentle. Yeah, aren't ya? You're such a good boy. Arr. Oh, laying in the hallway where the sun is. Yeah, hi, sweetie. Oh, your poor skin. You're all irritated. Yeah. It'll be spring soon enough. We'll have fresh air and grass. Oh, pretty kitty. Hey, sweetie. Oh, stretch. Oh, you got caught. This cat. Crazy kitty. What are you doing? You are blocking the hallway like a champ. Yeah, you are. Oh, mama. Oh, mama kitty. How's your belly doing, huh?
It shouldn't take terribly long.
Yeah, you don't want me to touch that. It's alright. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, look at those eyes. Sebastian. Meow meow. Come on, little guy. Silly kitty. Come on, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, little dude. Aw. You gonna go get Mama? Here she comes. Mama's not having any of your shit. Yeah. She says, screw you, I'm not playing. Yeah. Yeah, what are you doing? You being crazy? Oh, look at you go. She almost did. She's acting like she wants to play. Oh, poor mama. She's just not a young kitty anymore. Pretty kitty. Mama kitty. What you doing, Sebastian? He's gonna go steal her food. Look at her watching him. Oop, wrong way. She's just watching him. She wants to play, but she's like afraid of him. Can't say I blame her. He is freaking crazy. He's under the couch. them real quick. What are you doing, Mama Kitty? What are you doing? Is he under there? Are you gonna play too? Oh God. I just hope they don't get violent. Because he is being really crazy. Come on, Sebastian. Oh, Mama, where are you going? She's gonna go steal the kitten food. Here they go. Down the hall. Now, we'll see what happens. Oh, here they come. Oh, Mama, come on. You were dying to play a minute ago. She's so nasty sometimes. She tries to play with him, and then he plays back, and she's like, jeez. Look at cats. Oh, here he goes. Oh, God. Alright, let's go see. What are you doing, silly boy? Are you watching her? Yeah? Oh, Mama. Looking out the window during a snowstorm. Come on, Sebastian. It's okay, little guy. Oh, Mama. Are you sad because he didn't chase you? Look at her. Look at her. She's like, hey, come chase me. Why are you being so nasty? You want him to play with you. Oh, poor guy. Look, oh, throw up. Ugh, so disgusting. I gotta clean that up. That's from her. That's from you. Yeah. You. At least it's the spare room. It's because you eat that kitten food and it doesn't agree with you. Hey, Sebastian. Come on. No, we're not going to play Monopoly. Come on. Come on, little guy. See, if I try to grab him, or even just pet him, he'll go running. And I don't want to scare him off. Here, watch. Hey, little guy. Come on out of there. There you go. Gone. Oh, somebody's not afraid of me, though. Yeah, hi, sweetie. Ooh, sweetheart. You are such a pretty kitty. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Mm-hmm. Oh, your poor belly. You gotta stop pulling your hair out, you old lady. Poor thing. She's just not young anymore. Yeah. You do like to play, though, don't you? Mm-hmm. You're pretty spry for an old girl. Mama here is 12 years old. Yeah. Aren't you? At least. Actually, she might be older. We're not quite sure. We adopted her from the previous owner of our house. That's right, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Mm-hmm. That patchy fur. Yeah, this right here. Yeah. Yeah. Is your skin irritated? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice sweetheart. She is such a sweetie. She doesn't like to be held, but she loves pets. Mm-hmm. Oh, purr, purr. Poor thing. We'll take care of you. Yeah, we're going to take good care of you. Oh, mama kitty. She just watched Sebastian walk into the kitchen. Yeah, we'll play with Sebastian. I hope you're nice to him. Live up to your name, huh, Mama? Yeah. Oh. she wants all the pets. She wants all the pats and pets. Oh, I think she's getting a little crazy now too. They do this. They'll do this all day long. She'll go after him, he'll run away. He'll go after her, and she'll run away. And it goes back and forth all day. And that's where the food is, out there in the water. She always screws up her water. She always puts her paws in there and gets it all dirty. Where you at, Sebastian? I think the little black guy's down here. No? Oh, where did he go? Oh, there you are. Boo. I see a little black butt. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where'd you go? There you are. Sebastian. Look at those little eyes. Hey, buddy. Hey. He's so timid. Except when it comes to Mama. Right, Mama? Yeah. Oh, that's what he's doing. He's watching her. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, he's watching her. Yeah, he's under there. Yeah. Yeah, Sebastian under there. You see him? Hey, little guy. Good neighbors. Hey, Sebastian. What's up, buddy?